I teach how to raise money through large gifts. That's where I focus, but it's really any money amount. But I would create a top 100 list. And here's the formula that I teach all my students is before you put someone on your top 100 list, and some people call it Dream 100, whatever you call it, it's those individuals who are more likely to give to your organization and give to it in a big way. Mm-hmm. Since I teach large gifts, major gifts, I focus on the big givers because that's the best use of anyone's time is pulling in the large gifts. So the first point in the test is to make sure they are passionate about your cause, your mission. They could have landed in your portfolio because they were somebody's uncle and they just gave one time. Doesn't mean they are passionate about your cause. So you're looking for where the best use of your time. It doesn't mean they're bad people or they shouldn't be on your list. They're just not on your top 100. So they need to be passionate about your cause. The second is they need to be able to give at a significant level. And that's for you to decide what a gift that is meaningful. So some people, it may be, if you're brand new, a $250 gift is great. But if you've been at it a while and your organization's been in place, maybe $10,000 is where you start that you consider your top 100. It's totally up to you. And there's not a wrong or right. And that's for internal purposes to identify that threshold of what's a large gift or major gift. And the third test and the 3-point test to put someone on your Dream 100 or top 100 list is they must be philanthropic. And just because someone is wealthy does not mean they're philanthropic. Just because someone has money doesn't mean they're philanthropic. I had a board member who was not philanthropic. And it took me forever. I just couldn't imagine he wouldn't give personally, gave through other ways. There are other family members. And so don't waste your time there if you're small staff, or unless you have an army of people and you've got plenty of time, but most of us don't in fundraising. Go through your list and use that 3-point test to whittle it down to 100 people.